G'day and welcome to my garage. I've got these other pieces down here, leftovers from other pours. So I think I'll get the furnace ready. Well, there's the burner, but what's been happening is this old plastic airline, which I was using, bit of a Susie coil. It's getting that old and brittle. It's breaking up. Well, it's broken in a third and 2/3. So I shall have to fit a new gas line. So I went to the hardware. So I've come back from the hardware and I've got this new gas line. This is a proper gas line, but I need to make it fit. So this end here I can still use. It goes onto the quarter BSP. This end here I need to connect it here. Well, not this particular one. I have to make up another gas pipe. On the end of this is where the hole is, or there's a gas jet. Can't remember if there's a gas jet in this one or it's just a hole. But anyhow, I need to make a new gas connection. So over to the lathe. So this gas fitting, homemade gas fitting, that's an M12 thread. The new fitting, that will be a collar rather than a nut, because that's a piece of all thread in there. And this side will be M12 thread. So that's the first thing I'm going to do, is make that M12. Now the chart out of my tap and die set, the chart, so M12 is the bottom one here, and outside thread or bolt diameter in millimeters. Come on. I can't see that myself. 11.83. So let's turn this thing down to 11.83. Well, I've got about a bit over 200 thou to come off this, so let's see how we go. Can you see better through the glass? Probably not. I've put a new tip in this tool. Cuts beautiful. This is a 25 thou cut. It's not even creating a sweat. Where are we at? Well, don't know about you, but me. I've still got another 60. I just remembered I haven't. There we go. Hang on. Looks like it's popped the belt. be a good enough lead. That's it. I only need to cut a thread about 20mm, 3/4 of an inch. Got to drill this through to just past halfway, because that's the gas. No, drilling from the other side, not from this side. There's no hole on this side. All right, got to put a thread on that. Just taking off that flange so the gas jet will sit home nice and flat. That's better. Now to drill and tap the jet into the right place. Just a small flat for drilling the a hole for the jet. There's no need to put it on the milling machine for that. And we can drill this on the drill press. Let's turn on some light. It has met the cross drilling. The cross drilling could have been about another 3mm deeper. Beautiful. Put a thread in that, and the jet can be fitted. That's a bit of insurance just in case the jet, start again, just in case the jet slips out between my fingertips and falls down through the tube and down onto the garage floor, where I'd never find this dark this piece that looks like the same colour as the garage floor. So a bit of masking tape down the bottom of the hole, just in case.
I tapped this hole at a slight angle by mistake. So
I can see the hole there now. I don't know what size it is, but this is a 1mm drill. And it just won't fit, so it'd be 0.8, 0.9. I reckon it'd work okay if you just drilled it out to 1mm. Did I tighten that? Yes. Obviously pointing the jet down. Should have put some flats on here. Still can do it if this doesn't work. It's pretty tight. It's got gunk all over it. Okay, that's it finished. And there it is fitted. Very neat. I'm impressed with that. Yeah, pat yourself on the back. Alright, that's it fitted. It'll work good. As you can see, it's a nice fitting. Very neat. Beats that 12mm bolt ball thread, and it's ready to go. And that's it. It's a very simple burner. It's a very simple burner, a piece of 1 inch water pipe, 3/4 water pipe, a flared fitting each end. Now this end has to have a flared fitting. If I take that off, I don't get a good burn at all. Don't know why, but it works a lot better with a flared fitting. This end got a flared fitting because I needed to put the jet in there. But hey, very simple. It works. That's all I worry about. Catch you on the next video.